How to make a video lesson using Zoom application. Here are the steps to do this. Number 1, download your Zoom app and then sign up tayo. Then pag nakapag-sign up na, next step natin is to sign in into your Zoom account. Ito po yun. Okay, next, start a new meeting. Click lang po natin ito. Next, check your microphone. And then, make sure naka-on yan habang nagre-record tayo, most especially kapag magtuturo na tayo. Then, we can also start video kung gusto natin na may mukha tayo habang nag-lesson, pwede rin kung wala. Then, share your screen. Okay, click po natin itong green na ito, share screen. Next, start recording. And then, tip po, kailangan i-click po natin itong optimize for video clip and share sound para maganda po naririnig yung mga video natin, mga in-insert natin video sa ating presentation. Then, share. Click na natin yan. Then, stop recording when you are done. Kung tapos na tayong mag-discuss, tapos na po tayong mag-present na ating lesson, stop lang po natin. Click natin itong tatlong button dito or tatlong option. Then, stop recording. Step 8 natin, stop sharing your screen by clicking the red button or stop share button at the top of the screen. Ito po yun. Ayan. And then, end the meeting. Pagka-end po natin ng meeting, we are going to see this convert meeting recording. So, yan po yung nagpapatunay na nagko-convert na siya. Then, kapag tapos na, stop converting na. Then, we will also get an email once it is ready. Then, we can now click on the link in that email to download a copy. Or pwede rin po, directly naman to makikita natin sa ating captured video. Yan. Okay, sa akin, on my case, makikita ko siya sa documents, merong folder doon na Zoom, then we can now view our recordings in that destination. Okay po, napakadali lang at kapag natutunan natin ito, sobrang maalwan po ito sa ating lahat, lalong-lalo na po para sa mga seasoned teachers na takot, pero naniniwala po ako na kayang-kaya po nating lahat. That's all po. Thank you and God bless!